Good morning children, we start our lesson. Okay, new lesson, that is separation of substance. Okay, so in the separation, okay, we went to the shop. Okay, we went to the shop. So when you went to the shop, what you purchased? You have purchased the, see here, green chilies. You have purchased the green chilies, wheat flour, coriander. Okay, coriander seeds, and tomato, red gram also, red gram, okay, red gram, wheat flour, okay, so they went to buy these things. So when he returning home, what he did, all this have mixed and he fell down. Okay, he fell down and all this mixture has been mixed. Okay, it has been mixed. So when it is mixed, so what happened? How can you separate this? How can you separate this if it is mixed? So you can, by using the hand, you can hand picking, you can separate the red chilies. And tomato also you can, by hand picking, by using your hand you can pick this. And red gram by, okay, wheat flour and this by sieving, jellada. Okay, sieving if you do, you can separate the wheat flour. And you have the red gram and the coriander. So if you have the sieving or any other, or you have to take the sieving only in this also. The large size you have to take. Okay, so it is, what is then mean by mixture? Mixture is nothing but the substance or the material which contain more than one substance. If you take this, okay, if we eat the mixture, what it contains? It contains the peanut. Yes, it contains the peanut and some seed will be present and bundi will be present. So it contains more than one substance. Is known as the mixture. Okay, if see here, all these are mixed, so it is called as a mixture. And if you make, okay, so more than one substance is known as the mixture, or combination of more than one substance is known as mixture. Okay, if you take the laddu, to make the laddu, what we require? We require the besan, yes, sugar, okay, sugar we require, all this, then and water we require. So all this together, then it makes the laddu. It is a mixture of, okay, it is a mixture, contain more than one substance is known as the mixture. See here, and some are natural. See here, the mixture are of two types. One is natural mixture, and the artificial, that is man-made mixture. Take example, the soil. Soil contains the clay, it contains the small stones. Yes, so it is a mixture, we can say. Okay, it is a natural one. And the example for the man-made is, you can write the laddu, you can write the lemon juice. Okay, so like this, it is a man-made, it is a natural one. Okay, mixture of two types, natural and the artificial, that is man-made mixture. See here, they have given here lemon water. See here, they have given the lemon water, lemon juice. Okay, what to make the lemon water? What we require? We require the lemon juice, sugar and water. It is a man-made or the natural? Man-made. Yes, it is a man-made. And you can take the, what you can take, example, any, okay, laddu they are given. To make the lemon juice also they have given. To make laddu we take. So what we require? We require besan, sugar and the water. It is a man-made? Yes, it is a man-made. To make the brick. What we require? Clay. We require red clay, that is red one. And then what we require then? Water. So this contains the water. So it is also man-made. Man-made. It is also made up of man only. And to make the book like that, we can write to make the curry. Any curry you take. I am writing the potato curry. So to make this, what we require here? We require the potatoes. So many things we require. So it is okay. Potato, onion, and chili powder. So we require many things here. So it is also a mixture. Okay. So it is also man-made. Okay. Identify the mixture among the following: jaggery, coffee, sand, haldi, red chili. Okay. Identify the mixtures here among the following. Jaggery contains what they require. They require the urd dal and the sugar. Coffee powder, water and sugar it was. Sand. Okay, it is a artificial or the man-made or natural? Natural. Haldi. It is also a man-made. Red chili. Yes, it is also a. It is not a mixture. It is a. And from which mixture in the example mentioned above you are able to separate components. How can you separate these components? By you can haldi, red chili, coffee, sand like this. Use of water in separation. How we are using the water in the separation method. Okay, in separation method, how we are going to use this water? We are using this water. Collect some solid material. We have to collect the solid material like ghee, wax, sand, salt, turmeric powder, dal, plastic, hood, iron nails. So by using the water, some will be sink, some will be float on the water and some will be dissolved in the water. Okay. So it will be, the ghee will be float on the water, wax also float on the water. The sand will sink in the water. It will sink in the water. Salt also dissolve in the water. It will dissolve in water. Turmeric also it will dissolve in the water. And the dal, it will sink in the water. Plastic, it float on the water. Hood will be float on the water. Iron nail also sink in the water. So like this we can, by using the water, some of the things will be sink and some of the things will be float, and some are soluble in water and some are not soluble in the water. You can write here. You have studied about the materials and their properties in the, we have learned in the fifth lesson. What we have learned, the materials and the things. So we have learned the properties of the material here. Do you understand this? Yeah, we have learned in the fifth lesson. So we have different methods of separations. What are that? Different methods of separations. See here we have the hand picking. Different methods we have. Methods of separation. Okay, we have methods of separation, that is hand picking, winnowing, sedimentation, decantation, sieving, filter, filtration, crystallization, distillation, distillation. Okay, we have the different types of separation. Okay, we have the different types of separations. Okay, in the next class I will explain about this separation. Okay, thank you children.